Hi everyone, welcome to English 121 Online. My name is Richard Nunez and I will be your instructor for this course. I have been teaching English for more than 20 years now, so you have a seasoned instructor here. Although I haven't been teaching online for very long, so maybe I need a little more seasoning, online seasoning. Anyway, a little bit about myself. I am a writer. I got my degrees, my Master of Arts and Master of Fine Arts in Creative Writing, and I am a published writer. So I primarily write fiction, but I have dabbled in nonfiction, and here's an example here you can see on the screen. This is a blog I've been dipping in and out of throughout the years. I haven't worked on it in a while. Last one was 2017, but it's something I've been itching to get back to. And a couple of pieces have actually been published in magazines. So if you want a little bit of insight into who I am, this will give you that. It's again about my life in Kenya, my time in Kenya in the 90s and the early 2000s. I also have fiction that's been published, and you can find some out there on the internet if you just do a thorough Google search with my name and see what you come up with. I haven't done that in a long time. Also, I'm an avid trail runner, and because of the pandemic, I've been able to get out on those trails quite a bit I've logged many miles since March, and it's a passion of mine. I just love getting out on the trails, being outside, running in the mountains. It's exhilarating for me, and I hope I can do it for many years to come. We'll see. Anyway, class starts tomorrow, and the class shell should be available to you, so you can start working and keep up with the class. There is a weekly to-do list. Make sure you check off all those items on the to-do list and try to get things in on time. And you should get feedback from me regularly, and I will be posting videos and updates and reminders weekly. So good luck, and I'll see you online. Bye.